everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. We're going to do a moon spell box today. We're going to do an unboxing and then do the spell together. So sorry if I sound sick. Well, I shouldn't say sorry, but just acknowledging that I sound sick. I've been pretty damn sick. You may have noticed I haven't been on YouTube lately. I was traveling, and then since I've been back, I've been feeling pretty lousy. But I think I kind of peeked into this box. I thought this was a good one to start with because it could help me out potentially. But yeah, sorry for my absence. I'm hoping, every day I've been saying this, but I'm hoping tomorrow's the day that I wake up feeling, more myself. Today's a little bit better than it has been. But anyways, I've missed you guys. So Moonspell Box, this is not a subscription. You just purchase them as you go, so you can see what spell is out that month. And if you're interested, you can purchase it. So moonspellbox.com, I will link down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And you can get your first box for $9.99, and you get all the items you need for your spell. You may need like a lighter and like somewhere safe to do your spells. But other than that, like I feel like all of us have matches or lighters at home. All of the actual ingredients come in the box. So super cute. So let's open it up. Again, I'll link them down in the description. And we have here today a spell to manifest clarity. So I've kind of had brain fog. You know how that is when you have a cold or virus, It says this spell is to help you think. This spell is to help you to think sharply and clearly without distraction. To clear your mind of mess and distraction, illuminates answers, and helps you move forward with focus and understanding. See how I can think I could barely read, like this will be nice to help me moving forward. I would love to be free of mess. I feel like my mind is a jumbled mess right now. So the ingredients in here, let's go ahead and put this to the side. We have, in this bag, ooh, I can smell it, which is a good thing. Wait, I smell something, yeah. I don't know what I smell because it's in this jar, but I smelled something. And that's a good sign. The ingredients are white candle, rosemary, and lapis lazuli. And then we have a ritual. So I love that you can save this sheet and put it in your grimoire, your book of shadows, what you call it. Maybe you're both. And you can do this later on. I love how it has this like look to it. And let's take this out, and then we'll read through this ritual as we do it together. I love lapis lazuli. My grandma, apparently that was her favorite crystal. And lapis lazuli is great for communication, and that makes sense with thinking too. So a white candle. There's a few pieces of lapis lazuli in here. Looks like we have 4 pieces. And then you can reuse this bag as a sachet for something if you would like. So here's our lapis lazuli. And then we have this little jar, which you can also save and repurpose with the rosemary. Okay, kind of smell it. And then, okay, so for the first step, it says to place the white candle on a fire-safe platform. So I just grabbed this, and I will put this right here. And then it says, light the candle, do not leave burning candle unattended. Allow the candle to burn completely during the ritual. Okay, step 2, sprinkle rosemary around the lit candle. So I'm just going to do it around here, I think. Sometimes I sprinkle it right on the candle, but I like how this is working. And then it says, hold the lapis crystal in your hand and make a fist. Take several deep breaths in and out, clearing your mind and allowing yourself to fall into a deep relaxation. And then the next step is to chant the incantation to manifest clarity 3 times. Let the light of this candle illuminate the answers I seek. I welcome clarity into my heart and life. As I will it, so mote it be. Let the light of this candle illuminate the answers I seek. I welcome clarity into my heart and life. As I will it, so mote it be. Let the light of this candle illuminate the answers I seek. I welcome clarity into my heart and life. As I will it, so mote it be. And then it says, dispose of the candle in an outdoor trash can and rosemary in your garden or outside. Carry the lapis lazuli with you or add it to your altar. You can repeat the spell daily for enhanced clarity. So I'm going to lay the lapis around it while we're finishing this. And I realized I'm not using a mic today too. Sorry. I realized it after I did this spell. Now I'm getting more clarity. I'm like, ooh, yeah, I forgot to grab that, didn't I? I forgot to plug that in. But it's okay. Sorry, you guys, again, for the quality of my voice. But I really do think this spell is already helping me because it made me realize what I forgot and think more sharply. So I'm going to let this burn completely like it says, and then I'll dispose of the candle, and I will put the rosemary and some of my potted plants on my back patio. I really like how this looks. Well, I hope you guys are well. I hope you enjoyed this. I will link Moonspell Box down below if you're interested in getting this or want to check out any of their other spells they offer. I do have a playlist on my channel for all the boxes I open, but Moonspell Box as well if you want to see what we have done in the past. And yeah, this is really great, especially if you're new to spell work, to ritual work and all of that. This is a great way to get into it, especially like before you build up your own collection of crystals and herbs and all of that. It's super fun, and I honestly think it's effective. I do feel a little bit sharper in this candle. It's just getting started. And again, you get all the ingredients, and you get to keep all the spells that you get, and put that away to use later. So that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. I hope you are well, and I hope to see you hopefully tomorrow. We'll see. I have a whole stack. Oh, I just looked up. I'm standing over my desk right now, and I just looked under it, and Emmy's sitting on one of my boxes. I was about to say I have a stack of boxes and packages waiting to be opened. Some new subscription boxes as well. So stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and have an amazing day, guys. I love you so much. Bye.